How will you know when you've reached maintenance? Well, as an obesity medicine doctor who's treated thousands of patients, I'll tell you the 5 signs to look for. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Meghan. I'm a board certified obesity medicine doctor and weight loss coach, helping you cut through the pseudoscience and confusion in weight care. My approach combines evidence-based medicine with real behavioral change. So you don't just take medications, you actually transform your health. It's come to my attention that there is a lot of confusion about what maintenance is and what it means and what it looks like. Here is what some of you think it is. You think that maintenance is a lot of work. You think that maintenance means changing things around, tinkering around with things, like your weight is a big project and it's a kind of a grind, and it's a grind that you're doing forever. It's a hustle and a struggle and you just keep working at it. And no, that is not what maintenance should look like for you on a GLP-1. So as an obesity medicine doctor who prescribes these medications all the time, I've treated thousands of patients. I have so many patients who have been on these medications for years, and I will tell you what I see when I talk with them. Okay, so let's pretend you're a fly on the wall with me as I see patients who have been on these GLP-1 medications for years. What do these visits look like? First of all, if the patient hasn't been on the same dose for years, they've been on the same dose for months. That's sign number 1. Sign number 2, they really don't have any side effects, or if they do, the side effects are very manageable. They're predictable, they're manageable, maybe they're annoying, but they don't seriously impact the quality of this patient's life. Sign number 3, when I'm talking to them, their weight is either exactly the same as it was a year ago, or it's gone down a couple pounds. Sign number 4, the visits are very short. There is not a lot to discuss. Basically, they're like, yep, everything's going great. I'm still taking it. Side effects are fine. You know, we talk about what they ate. We talk about what their exercise looks like. But basically, they have a system. They know what to expect. And it's just very routine. And sign number 5, their weight is no longer a project. It is not something that they're constantly working against, or they're not telling me that like my body is against me, this thing stopped working. Like there's no drama. There's no drama. It's very just like the weight is no longer on their to-do list. It is about as exciting as their shoe size. Maintenance is what you would I want you to imagine what life would be like if you were blessed with never having a weight problem. That is essentially what maintenance is like. You should feel calm. You should not be inattentive. Maintenance is not forgetting things. Maintenance is not stopping doing what works. Do not hear me say that. Maintenance is definitely not doing that. Everything that worked to get you where you are now, keep doing it. Do not forget about it. Do not stop doing it. If it was really hard, you need to evaluate whether that's something you want to continue doing, because everything you do in maintenance, everything you do to get to maintenance should be things you can do forever, because that means you will have a sustainable weight loss. So it should 100% not be inattentive. You are still paying attention, but you should feel like I know what I'm doing and all I need to do is keep doing it. You should feel calm, you should feel confident, and there's really no drama. Yes, you're gonna make some tweaks here and there, of course. We are all growing and evolving, right? That's to be expected, but nothing really acute, major. Again, you're feeling calm, you're feeling confident, you know what to do, and you just keep doing it. That's it. It's very boring. So those are the 5 signs to look at. That's the kind of vibe around maintenance. It's very different than like before people start the medications. There's a lot of mental anguish, mental distress, and that's just gone in maintenance. Maintenance is, again, essentially it's like you have transported yourself into a life where you take care of your body, but you never had a weight problem. So the goal is that gives you some clarity if you haven't started a medication, if you've just started, if you're in the thick of figuring out what your body is doing on this medication. This is just to show you like the light at the end of the tunnel, what it should feel like, what it should look like. Again, this comes from me seeing so many patients who are doing so well on these medications. So this is what essentially it should look like. This is the vibe. Let me know what your maintenance experience has been like. And also, side note, if you are on a GLP-1, you're not in that maintenance phase and you're having a lot of trouble. You're having a lot of trouble with your eating. You feel like that's not supporting the medication, not helping it to do its job. You're having a lot of trouble getting yourself to exercise. We should definitely talk. I will leave a link that you can click on below and I'll tell you all about how I help people just like you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and please be well.